Okay, larong Pilipino sa Pilipinas. Sige na.
Okay. I have to skip this because it went on that.
Yeah.
Wait. I gotta go up.
Sian's turn.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, wait.
Eh, ulit.
How to split this?
You need to pick the thing. Kukunin mo yung pamato mo.
Okay.
When you're there. Pakita mo nga ate kung paano gawin nga iyan.
Okay, hold on.
You need to pick your pamato.
Okay, so I just do this.
Are you tired na, Ugan na? Tired na si Bella? Why? Aba? Okay. Si, panoorin mo si Ate Bella. Ito mo si Kuya Sian.
I need, here. Oh, I don't like it. It's too tiny. So you start here. 1.
You need to skip.
If whatever,
The pamato is. There.
Then you do 2.
okay, I don't need this one.
Then you put it number 3.
I just pick a random number when I do it. Just to practice.
Okay, Sian's turn.
No, not this one.
Bella's turn.
Okay, I don't do whatever you say. So we have to skip this?
Yep.
Yeah, you have to skip that. Yan.
And then after...
Go back. Then you need to pick.
Pick it up.
Oh no! You're out.
I can actually do this though.
Okay.